So I get this question a lot. Sometimes these pumps don't start out in the field, and the main reason why they're not starting is because they're vapor locking. So that's because the fumes in the fuel tank aren't releasing out of here, and it's creating back pressure in all the fuel lines, and that's why it's not getting the proper gas to start the engine. So when that happens, you have to disconnect this black line from the tank. Just let it sit there. You could either undo this little cap and undo the main cap, and all the vapor will release. So once you do that, you tighten this back on. You leave this cap open. It should always be open. Then reconnect the fuel line, and it should start right away after that. If it doesn't start after that, you could always reach out to me and I'll try to help you.